Good morning students, now it's time for a maths class and today we will be doing chapter 2 addition. In this we will be doing complete, look at the book, complete the following. So here we will be doing order of addendums. As I have told you in my previous class, in the mental maths class, order of addendum means by changing the order of the addendums, the sum does not change. Again I am telling you, by changing the order of the addendums, the sum does not change. See, in the both, if we add these two numbers, we will be getting 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3,323. So if we subtract this number from this number 3, 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 1, 7, 8. So if you subtract this two number, the answer will be 2145, 2145. So you have to write down 2145. So in this case, see, wherever you put the both, if both the addendums are same, the sum does not change. So here also, if you add these two numbers, the answer will be 3323. Now look at the next sum, 4175 plus 0. So when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. The sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. Remember, again I am telling you, when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. So 4175 plus 0, it will give you the number itself. So write down 4175. Next, 3179 plus dash is equal to 3179 plus 1456. Again I am telling you, in this case, see, both one addendum is given. 3179 plus 1456. So if we 9 plus 6, 15, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4635. And if you subtract minus 3179, so the answer will be 6 carry 2, 12, 7, 7, 12, 5, here 4, here 1. So the answer will be 1456. So here also, if you see, by changing the order of the addendum, the sum does not change, it remains the same. So here 2110 plus 1719 plus 2140, if we add these three numbers, so 09, next 4, 5, 6, 6, 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 2, 5, 5969. Now if we add these two numbers, 1009, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 3859. So if we subtract these two numbers, 5969 minus 3859, 0, 1, 1, 2. So the answer will be here 2110. So again here also the same thing, by changing the order of the addendums, the sum does not change. Now look at the next sum. Here also, if we add these two numbers, 5, 14, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5740. If you subtract with this, the answer will be 1, 7, 5, 3. So 3571. So here also the same application, same property is applied. By changing the order of the addendum, the sum does not change. Now write the following numbers in different order and find the sum. Now listen, if you add these two numbers, 5 plus, here the numbers are same, but it is the addendums are given in the different, in the upside down. 5 plus 4, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,969. Here also if we add 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So here you look, if you look at the sums, here both the results are same, 7,969. Next, 4,150 plus 3,758. Now see here, if we add this 8 in ones place, tens, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 in the tenth place, and carry 1 under 100, the 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 700, 900, 4,000 plus 3,000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,908. Here if we add the numbers 8, 5 plus 5, 0 in 100, 7 plus 1, 8, 800 plus 100 is 900, and 4,000 plus 3,000 will be 7,000. Here also if you look at the answer, the results are the same. Now if you add the 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place, 5, 1 tenth plus 1 to 2 tenths, 2 tenths plus 5 will be 7 tenths, 800 plus 100 will be 900, 6,000 plus 3,000 will be 9,000. Here if we calculate, 9 plus 6 will be 15. Okay, 1 at the tens place, and ones in under the ones you have to write down 5, and 5 under the ones, and write down 1 tenth, 1 at the tens place. So 5 plus 1 tenth, 6 tenths, 6 tenths plus 1, 7 tenths, 800 plus 100 will be 900, and 6,000 plus 3,000 will be 9,000. So here also the answers are, both the results are same. Now look at the next. Choose the appropriate estimated value for the following. See, if we add these two numbers, estimated value. So here we have to see there are more ways to do the calculation faster. When we want to add two numbers quickly, just to get a rough idea of the sum, we can estimate the answer. Suppose you have to estimate this one, 1,885 plus 1,607. So if we add these two numbers, now if we add these two numbers, 1,185 plus 167, if we add these two numbers, you will be getting 352. In the estimating thing, always remember, here say this is ones, tens, hundreds. So you have to look at the tens place. If the number at the tens place is less than 5, then it will be the round down numbers. And if it will be more than 5, then it will be round off number to the next number. That is 352, it will be 400. Next round off number to 352 is 400. So 400 will be the answer. Next, if we add 212, 12 plus 256, the answer is 468. As the tens place is as it is 68, so it is more than 50. So you have to go to the more number, 468, it is more than 50, so you have to go higher number. So after 468, which is the round off number, 500, so 500 is the answer. Next, 370 plus 162, if you add, it is 532. So 532, as it is 532, the nearest number will be 600. More than 500, so the nearest number to 500 will be 600. it will give you an approximate answer but not the exact answer. So simply round up the addends as per the number of the digits. Now see, if you add 145 plus 413, the answer will be 558. 145 round up will be 600. 500, sorry, 500. The round up will be 500. Next, fill in the missing addend. 70 plus. Now, see, fill in the missing addend. Now, fill in the missing addend. 70 plus dash is equal to 100. So, in order to find out the answer, you have to first subtract the given answer from the one addend that is given, that is 100 minus 70. If you subtract, the answer will be 30. So 70 plus 30 is 100. Next, dash plus 60 is equal to 100. So the answer is given and the one addends are given. One addend is given. So what you have to do, you have to subtract from answer. 100, 60. If you subtract these two numbers, the answer will be 40. So 40, write on 40. Now if you see 40 plus 60, the answer will be 100. Now see, 80 is the answer and one addend is given. So 80, 40, subtract it, the answer will be 40. So write down 40 over here. So 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. Again, I am repeating in the appropriate estimated value. The formula is that if in the hundreds place the number is less than 5, it will be less than 5, it will be round down number. It will be lesser than the 500, the number that is round down number. And if in the hundreds place it is more than 5 or 5 or it's 5 or more than 5, it will be round up number, that is more than the given number that is there. Now look at this, 75 plus dash is equal to 90. So the answer is given, you have to find one addend is given. So what you have to do, you have to do 90 minus 75. So if you subtract 5, so you have to write down 15, the answer is 15. So 75 plus 15, the answer will be 90. Next, 20 plus dash is equal to 100. So in order to find out, one addend is given and the answer is given. So what you have to do, you have to subtract 100, 20. So the answer, if you subtract this one, 80. So the answer 20 plus 80 is equal to 100. Next is 300 plus dash is equal to 400. So the answer is given and one addend is given. So what you have to do, you have to subtract from the answer. 300 minus 300. If you subtract these two numbers, the answer will be 100 minus. You have to subtract in all the cases. If the answer is given and one addend also given, you have to subtract the numbers. So 300 plus, the answer is 100. 300 plus 100 will be 400. So we have done the addition. Nearly we have only the story sums are left. Along with this video, I will be giving you the worksheet. Copy the worksheet in your notebook and solve the sums. Next day we will be doing some story sums. Thank you.